Hey everyone, so Bournemouth Air Museum was so big we decided to do 2 videos. We really enjoy coming here, it's really great. So we'll see some of the planes, shall we? And at the moment, Mummy and the boys are in the cabin over there. So we'll go over there. See what they're up to.
I had to go fly in the plane.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was it?
Nearly crash landed.
Did you? Well, maybe one day, darling, you can get your pilot's licence, can't you?
That's the plan.
Thing you've always dreamed of, my darling.
That is the plan.
Do you have fun flying the plane in the simulator?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it cool?
I loved it, Mama.
Was it good? Is it fun?
Yeah, really fun.
Yeah. Oh, it's really muddy. Be careful not to run too fast, it's really muddy. What's that called? A Grumman American AA5B Tiger. Well, that's the name, isn't it?
Are you allowed to get on this?
No. I think it's just so you can have a look in there, really.
Maybe this way, baby.
It's a dinky little plane, that, isn't it? Is that a little microlight, is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? I don't know. It's nice though, isn't it? It's a nice little plane, that, isn't it? Royal Navy helicopter as well. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, look.
Hey, boys in the fire engine.
Henry's got a fireman's hat.
Oh, Henry, you a firefighter? Wow, Jaxie, cool. You driving?
Oh, he's upset because he can't actually drive it.
Oh dear. It moves a little bit. There you go. Daddy help you along.
Not very sensible this week.
Hey, darling. Right. Daddy waving. Oh, you coming up here with Daddy? God, this is a big plane, isn't it?
Yeah. There's 7 in front. There's that little wheel guy.
Oh, look, it's Concorde. Not seen one of them for years. It's a Concorde in here, darling. Concorde.
Yeah, they got one of those up front too, haven't they?
When did they get decommissioned, the Concorde?
Oh,
Like the 90s, wasn't it? Was it 90s or just early?
because I still remember them going over.
Yeah.
So I must have been old enough to remember that. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's got to be the 90s, isn't it?
Yeah.
2003
Yeah.
was withdrawn.
What, from everywhere, all over the
Yeah.
world?
There was a crash, a massive crash in Paris.
Was it?
Yeah.
What, and then they decommissioned them because of that? Wasn't it because they were too expensive though as well?
Also, after 9/11, it said there was a drop in demand for seats. And then the crash, people were not buying tickets anymore.
Yeah.
So then they couldn't afford to fly.
No,
It's a shame, really, because they were really clever, weren't they?
yeah. They were fast.
Yeah.
Should we go and have a look at some more planes?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to go and have a look at more planes? Yeah, go on then, let's go. Oh,
When we're done, can we try the flight simulator again? Yeah, if you want to.
yeah, that's a Concorde, darling. Say Concorde. Look, babe. Chinook. That's pretty cool, that, isn't it?
Yeah, that
Let's have a look in there, shall we? Shall we go in the passport?
is. Yeah.
Parcel Force International plane. That's how they deliver packages abroad, darling. They fly them on a plane. Like letters and packages, like people's presents and stuff.
Okay, is that you want a working seat?
I don't know how people get in these planes.
No, they're tiny, aren't they?
Tiny.
Yeah.
Like the cockpit, like getting in and trying to sit down.
You tie it into it so you can feel like the movement of the plane.
I can push this back.
Yeah. Doesn't that makes the plane go higher, doesn't it? And lower.
Wow, look at all those controls.
Oh, it must be well confusing. You must learn. It must take years to learn to fly, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like properly, like these
Mummy's
sort of
flown
planes.
before. Mummy's flown before.
Yeah, but
Yeah, only a
something
sort
like
of a
this.
small, like micro sort of plane, isn't it?
Okay, was it scary when you flew, Mama?
Not really. It's exciting.
You right, Henry?
It's the moon.
You flying the plane?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's not flying.
Oh, is
no,
it?
it is. Daddy can feel it. It's flying.
Oh no, it's flying in the air. Oh yeah, look at its face.
Where are you taking us to?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
Dunno.
Oh no, are we gonna go?
I reckon you should take us to Disneyland.
Let's fly to Disneyland.
Yay! Yeah, model planes, darling. There's loads of plane models in here, isn't there?
I love the Spitfires and the Lancaster.
Yeah.
What's a Spitfire?
These ones.
What, those back ones?
The bit ones.
Spitfires.
I like the Spitfires.
The Lancaster's that big one with You like that one, do you?
Yeah, I like this one.
Well, some big ones, aren't there?
I like Spitfires and army planes.
Yeah.
All army planes I like.
Most planes are army planes.
I mean like
You like that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Look, see that lands on the sea as well. Yeah. See, some of them land on the sea. Look. Yeah. Yeah. They're all aeroplanes, aren't they?
Steps. Oh, there's also some.
Oh wow, it's cool in here, isn't it? See, Daddy can get in this one.
I can get into this one. Get into this one.
Just fly the plane. Go, Henry. Right, Dex? Yeah? You want to sit on Daddy's lap? Yeah? Oh! Get you up. That's it. Just chilling in the cockpit, mate, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hey? It's pretty cool. Oh, be careful, darling. Be careful. That's it. Oh, we're lifting the plane up into the air. Pull it back then. Oh, flying. Do you enjoy it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'll go on here in a second.
Yeah, be here in a second, darling.
Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for watching our video.